Hello, everyone. You've got Coach Groves.
And Miss Green.
We're here yet again. Aren't you excited to hear our voices?
Yay!
Okay, yesterday, we converted from standard notation, which is the regular way that you see numbers written, to scientific notation. Today, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to convert from scientific notation to standard notation. So, our learning target. We will be able to convert from scientific notation to standard notation by moving the decimal. Please write that in your journals. So when I'm converting from standard notation, I'm going to move the decimal, the number of times in the exponent. So you're going to see here, I've got an exponent of 5. That means that I'm going to move my decimal 5 times. So you'll see I've done this here for you. If I had the 3.58, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I moved my decimal 5 times.
Making it 358,000.
Yes. So on this one, if I have 7.3 times 10 to the negative 5. Now you have to be careful that negative means that it's a really, really small number. So you have to know which way you're going to move your decimal. And to make it small, you've got to go that way. So now we put down our 7.3 here and we moved it 5 times. It's just in the negative. So I'm going to go that way and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Making it, I don't know, I can't say that number.
I can't either. It's 0.000073.
There you go.
So now let's look at one more positive one. Since it's positive, it's really big. So I have 3.5 times 10 to the 9th. The 9 means I'm going to move my decimal 9 times. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you notice I am, every time I move these decimals, filling in with zeros. You have to fill those spaces with something, and that's a 0.
And if you have to actually put the numbers in there so that you keep track, that's fine. I know it seems really elementary and you think, oh, I don't need to be writing these numbers in. If it helps you, do it, because it's definitely making your answer correct.
And me and Miss Green, as we were making this video, we had to count and do it and move our decimal. And I have to draw the little bubbles under still just to get this in the right spot. So it's okay if that's something you have to always do.
And if I'm not mistaken, this number is at 3.5 billion? Let's see, that's 6, that would have been a million here, and then that's another 3, so I think it's 3.5 billion.
I think it's 3.5 billion too.
I'm not sure, so don't get mad at me.
Yes, please, no, we think.
We think, okay, moving on.
So now I want you to try these on your own. The first one, 1.76 times 10 to the 4th. Go ahead, solve that, answer the question. Now we've got 8.927 times 10 to the negative 5th. Be careful with your negative. Go ahead and solve that and answer your question. And your last one, 3.002 times 10 to the 7th. Solve that and answer the question for me.
I know, it seems like we're going really fast, but you're supposed to be pausing the video. Okay, now we're going to go over the answers, y'all.
Okay, your answers for the first one. The 1.76 times 10 to the 4th is 17,600.
Okay, so here we are. We're going to just show you real quick how we did it.
You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know we're writing over our problems, but we just want to show you how we did it.
Yes.
Okay?
So the next one, to the negative 5th.
Oh, sorry, that's a problem.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My decimal goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So my answer is this right here, 0.00008927.
Same exact thing.
And on this one, we moved it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As we've said, it's okay to count out loud or write numbers.
So we added 4 zeros, and there it is. Okay, y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to Google it, email us, come to tutorials. Either way, we'll get it all figured out.
See you next time.
Peace out, man.